What's going on, everyone? It's Matty here from DCLblogger.com. You know that really big competition that I kept teasing you guys about that I had cooking with for NFT artists or whatever. So basically what I've done is I've gone ahead and partnered up with Decentraland and some district leads in Decentraland that have a massive chunk of land, and I've said, hey, reserve these pieces. These are going to have, we're going to run a competition in Decentraland where you can build your own gallery, and 100 of the top gallery entries will be given 1 year free lease to have their galleries deployed in Decentraland. I'm going to show you exactly how to enter and what to do. To enter, you'll basically have to go over here to the Google form, add your name, add the contact details so we can let you know if you want or not, and add your Ethereum address. So, you know, when you download a MetaMask, I'm sure you guys have used Rarible, Super Rare, all that sort of stuff, you will get a Ethereum address. So add your Ethereum address over here, click submit. That way we have your information. We can let you know when you win. Do not, don't paste your private keys here. It is your Ethereum address. This is the address you'll use to kind of deploy your gallery. So from the 10th of the 17th of December, we're going to run the competition so you can start building your gallery. And the way you do that, you go to builder.decentraland.org. Once you kind of join in, you go plus, you go Maddie's gallery or John's gallery, whatever it is. You go, you add your description if you want, whatever it is. You click next. Go 2 by 1, guys. This is the size of each lot that's been allocated to you. Do not go higher than this. We cannot go ahead with your submission. This is the dimensions that you have to follow, right? 2 by 1, that means it's the size of a gallery. It's 2 lands big. Click create, let it load, and you'll be able to drag and drop your items from Decentraland. So you're on builder.decentraland.org, and the cool thing is you can literally drag and drop items into this sort of build. So it's gonna load something really basic for you. Boom. This is a 2 by 1 plot. You can see 2 plots over here, and then the 2 asset packs that are of value to you are the voxel pack and the gallery pack. So you can click voxel pack, and you can click a bunch of voxels if you want to build it with that. Or you can click gallery pack, which is over here, and there's a ton of stuff to add here. There's all these sort of smart items. You can add like chandeliers. So if I click that, you can see it's going to add like chandelier over here. You can kind of, let me zoom in. I can place it wherever I want. I can even make it bigger. So if I keep my finger on shift and enlarge it, it kind of enlarges it proportionally. And then I can jump in and check that out, right? I can switch it on and off. Boom, boom. So that's a smart item for you. Smart items are the ones with the zap kind of symbol on it. You can add block flow lights. You can do whatever you want. There's a bunch of stuff you can do. Smart items. You can even add like this gallery info where you can say, this is Maddie's gallery. Play with the font size, font type. A bunch of different things over here. More gallery items. You can add couches, all kinds of couches. So boom, let's add this couch. Put it over here. Walls, cushions on your couch. You can add window frames, walls, roofs, tiles, all that kind of stuff. You can get really quirky. I'm not going to pretend I'm a good artist. I am not a good artist. So I need to do a bit of art. So I'm going to brag a little bit as a kid. But yeah, totally cannot do art right now. So, I'm not going to pretend I can make a good gallery. I'm sure you guys can yourself. There's a bunch of different things you can drag and drop, right? You can even drag and drop your art. So, for example, I have dragged and dropped a bunch more things over here. And you can see I have an image over here of my art. You can switch this on and off. You can climb the stairs, search stairs, have a little roof area, add walls and neon walls. I got my ferocious art on the side. How cool is that? And there's a bunch of different things. So it's totally open for you to drag and drop the gallery of your choice, right? So the theme is the galleries. You can drag and drop whatever you want. You can play around with all the stuff you have. You can go into the fantasy packs if you want, pirate packs. It's not restricted to only the gallery pack. The gallery pack is only there for the purpose of this competition. So you can do that. Yeah, the way you add kind of images and stuff, what you can also do is you can go to collectibles, and if you have the art in your wallet, it's going to actually pick up all the stuff in your wallet. So I have a lot of Gods Unchained cards and Decentraland land, and all sorts of stuff. So you can see if I just write sun, it's going to pick up the name of the art that I have called sun, and there's a couple cool stuff here. I just added the ferocious art. I can add my Corey art. It's going to add it soon. It's lagging because I'm recording at the same time. There it is. Again, I can make it bigger, smaller, whatever you want. There you go. Make it squishy, put it on my wall. Bang. So there you go. That's what you have to do. And one thing to note, you have to keep an eye on this stuff. So this tells you your limitations. For example, triangles is how much stuff you add to the scene. So for example, if, all right, it's 5,453. I have 20,000 max triangles I can add. What does that mean? I'll show you what it means. If I add, say, another item, say I add, all right, I'm going to add this green star. Okay, boom. Now it's 5,917, so it's added by, I think, 500, right? So if that goes above 20,000, you cannot deploy it in Decentraland. So you got to be a bit clever. You have to be a bit clever. 5,917, it doesn't matter how much you skew this. Say I make it massive, it's going to be the same, 5,917. So you can play around with your sizes. What I did over here, instead of adding like 10 of these, I just stretched it to the side. So again, I save on those polys, and you'll have to do really clever things to make that happen, because you can't, you know, upload thousands of things, right? Because it's just going to break Decentraland if you load it into the world. And so that's what I've got planned for you guys. So go ahead and do that from the 10th and the 17th. Anyone can use the Decentraland builder. You can drag and drop whatever you want. You enter by the Google form, and that link's going to be provided for you. And then there's about 10 projects that have committed prizes for these guys. So they're going to be announced soon, but yeah, they're going to be choosing the galleries that they like the most. Again, you can use Imgur, you can use any sort of hosting service to drag and drop your art. So for example, if I go to image URL, it's going to give me this smart item. Oh, that's NSFW. Image from URL. Okay, so if I add that, and then here I can add the Imgur link or whichever hosted image link, and that's the way you can add your art if you want, if it's not in your wallet. So you don't even have to have it as an NFT. Again, I'll be adding a lot more tips and tricks, and everyone's going to be adding a lot of stuff happening. Join the Artist Builder Contest Discord channel. So for example, we've added it over here, Artist-Builder-Contest. You can join over here and discuss tricks and tips on how it's going to happen. Again, over 10 projects will be joining. So that's about it. I'm going to leave it up to you guys. So we're going to give you more information on how to submit these for a competition, submit these entries. And yeah, the top 100 or maybe more will be chosen to sit in Decentraland free lease for a year. You can jump into Decentraland and check this out. This is me in Decentraland running around all by myself. I need some friends, so I need all my artists and everyone on Twitter to build all their galleries around here. It's pretty cool. Decentraland, I've kind of made it a Christmas theme, and you can build all sorts of stuff. So we might be next to OpenSea. You got OpenSea over here working with Vegas District, which is a massive area of land. So it's about this much land that I have reserved for you guys. You know, when you build your galleries, they'll be all located around here. So I want to see all of this stuff filled up with beautiful galleries. Let's make it happen. Remember, 2x1, and make sure you follow all the stuff. I'm going to cover it in a Twitter thread so it's nice and clear. Good luck, and I hope to see everyone in DC.